This is a echo ultrasound.
Quiet on the set, please.
This machine is our portable ultrasound machine, which we use for line placements, echocardiograms, and muscle measurements.
Excellent. Is there anything specific about the ultrasound probe or the hertz or anything that you need to know?
We typically use this P12 probe, which is used for central line insertions, which works well for us for the measurement of the muscle thickness in the quadriceps.
We have to find the ASIS.
Chelsea, why don't you find it?
Anterior superior iliac spine.
And it's, on Chelsea, it's going to be easy here. Okay, so once we find that point, we measure from there to the knee. We're probably going to look to here, right there.
What part of the knee?
Superior aspect of the patella.
Thank you. So we need a calculator because we need 2 points. Does anyone have a calculator?
I can do it in my brain.
What do you need to know?
We need to know 2/3 of the distance between the 2 points.
So 1/3 is about 6, just under 6.
What's the total distance?
17.
17?
Yeah.
Okay.
11.3.
Oh, well now.
Sorry, too late. 11.3.
Too late. Okay.
11.3 is 2/3.
Okay. So we got 0.5, 2, 4. Okay. Right around there. And the other one is halfway.
8.5.
So right there. Thank you.
Our patients aren't usually this cooperative.
Yeah. What, marking the spots?
Okay, now do we have some
So
gel?
I put gel on the probe.
Oh, you've got
And
the
I have
probe
some more
on.
gel here if you require.
Okay.
Ice.
We should probably get a towel to
Do you want
wipe
to
it
show
off.
this?
So when we're using this VidAVI machine, we go to the highest megahertz possible, which is 13 on this machine. We do that using this frequency button. So I pressed up to 13 megahertz.
Jim, did you change the gain on the right side? I'm just wondering if there's a reason why they're all the same right here. Did you
No, that we can adjust based on what we see. Right?
Okay, so I'm just wondering if that was on purpose. That's why.
No, it was left at as whatever it was left at before. So then we compress the probe maximally to measure the muscle thickness.
And that's really important, that pressing maximally, just because if you just lit it on, our DI guys thought that it just gives you the most consistency. So if you have maximal compression, because if you're not compressing maximally, there's too much individual variability.
So, show me what you're. Talk to me what you're seeing there.
Okay, just a minute. I'm adjusting the depth to go as deep as we can, but this machine is
A little different.
It's femur right there, Darren.
So we start at the maximum depth to identify the femur. So we can see the femur here.
Nice femur.
Thanks.
Now you might want to center the femur, Kathy, if you can,
Yeah.
the other way.
There we are.
There we go.
Okay.
So that's the maximum depth. We've compressed maximally, and now we take our two measurements and we use this roller bar. Where's the little...
So did you press the measure button?
Yeah, there we go. Sorry. So can you compress again? So this is a fat up here, and this is a fat muscle interface here.
So you want it to be perpendicular. On the
Sorry, that's 2.47. I was wondering that
not
seemed
6.
kind of high.
Yeah.
I was going to say 2 inches. Think
Yeah.
that's pretty 2 centimeters.
So 2.4 centimeters.
Yeah, it's not. Okay.
2.44 centimeters.
Okay. Do you want to measure the other, just for reference?
Sure.
Because we didn't.
Here's the measurement again. This was the distal.
Yeah.
Okay. Press measure.
These are thirds? Is that what you did?
This was half. And
Oh, half and 2/3.
Yeah, and then you can take the average. and-
identified in her protocol.
So set at the fat muscle interface. It's still not completely perpendicular, but it's from the movement. And we have 2.20 centimeters there.
Okay.